golly, bro. Car meet didn't even start yet, bro. How the they gonna put the flyer up talking about some 6? We get here at 6, nigga. We early, bro. What the fuck, bro? I don't know. Then come on, just send me the goddamn shit, bro. It's good, y'all.
Have these bamboos in it, bro. That shit was a bit.
Hold on, can we cross right? Oh hell yeah!
Is it even one across the street? That shit ugly as hell.
Oh, I'm finna cross right here, bro. Fuck that shit, bro. I'm finna walk through the street, bro. Motherfucking money. This motherfucking money. Nah, I'm finna get on this nigga in this fucking hat, bro. Hey, turn the music off, bro. What the fuck is on your head?
You see, alright, hold on. You see, alright. Hey, bro, I get hoes.
That's what you just, that's why you was late?
Nah, bro.
On God, on God, you didn't make, you didn't, on God, you didn't just make that happen.
On me, I was taking shit.
Nigga, I didn't ask that. On God, you didn't just make that happen.
I was late because I took a shit, bro.
You was late because you was made that fucking hat.
Yeah, bro.
It's not even round, bro. That shit like squared off.
Shut up, man. Don't zoom in. Fuck you over, bro. Don't zoom in, nigga.
That shit like squared off.
This nigga always wearing the same shit, bro. Bro, the Crocs, the red 4K tray.
Hey, hold on, catch my jet though.
You know, I was over my sister's house.
Yeah. What the? You feel me? What the?
Yeah, shit.
Call it Breeziana. That's my car name, bro. But my shit look like small so I compare to these niggas shit.
So what bad for your back fell off?
Can you zip it up for me, please?
But everybody didn't even pull up.
What, my book bag?
Yeah.
For the zipper?
It's not that much. It might be more.
But this what I'm talking about, bro. This wheel got right here, bro. Look at this, bro. That shit needs to be down here, bro.
How mine is less than yours? Oh no.
Hell no.
My shit ain't parked. The fuck? Why my shit?
Yeah, your shit parked.
You finna fix this shit back.
Next 2 months, my shit gonna be oh, I can't say what color, bro. It's gonna be a surprise. My shit gonna be a different color, bro.
Yeah, small ass shit.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Huh?
Go tell us that slime and shit up.
Hell no.
Hey,
this nigga's going. Hey, bro, you saw that velocity, bro? Right there?
Oh yeah.
That shit don't have nothing in it. That shit is gutted out.
How did it get over there?
He got racing seats in here. That's it. He only got racing seats. Is that a Supra?
Yeah, I think that's the same Supra I saw earlier, bro. That sounds pretty nice.
Hey, bro, that low-key look like my car, bro.
Nigga was gonna race that shit. You fucking smoke.
Oh God, bro, this nigga was gonna get fucked up, bro. Hold on, someone hold the camera, bro. I'm finna go get my jacket.
This nigga out here wearing socks. Get the drip, man. Nice and
Right, okay. That shit on a little bit.
Nice and
that weak ass hat, man.
weak, man. You only said, Brandon said that you wouldn't said, oh, this shit hard, bro.
Bro, I just run the wrong jacket, bro.
Oh. I hit my key right quick.
How y'all doing, man? Be a little empty right now. Don't feel it, I know.
Hey, Joseph. You want one of them Teslas, bro?
Hell yeah.
Alright,
Go
bet.
steal one from me. That one pulling up. We finna GTA this.
Which one you want, bro? You got the American colors over there, bro. Which one you want?
Shit, give me the goddamn. Hey, I see a nigga right now, like in the car.
With a bit? Alright,
We finna just run up, take that nigga out the car, find his bitch, keep his bitch in the car, and then drive off this shit.
I hit a lick, bet it up.
Yeah, let's do that shit. Man.
Follow me. Fuck no.
That shit fire. That was a questionable pose right there, man.
What? I didn't do that. I just.
Yes, you did, bro. Yes, you did.
I just put it up.
Yes, you did.
Nigga poked out his lips. What the fuck?
This nigga shit hard though, bro. I fuck with this shit, bro. I want to drive this shit on a daily, bro. I fuck with it, bro. He got green wheels and shit, bro. I fuck with that shit. That bitch better be fast. You finna go to JCPenney's. The fuck you getting at JCPenney's?
Oh shit, I ain't think this nigga hurt.
Yeah, I'm hungry as hell, bro.
Some ding tea.
Some what?
Some ding tea.
Nigga, they don't got, they have tea, nigga. I want some food, nigga. I want some. Oh, that's a stop velocity. What the fuck? You saw how she looked at the fucking car? Bro, my shit, when our shit get far, bro. When our shit get far, bro, we finna come in here, we finna take this shit over, nigga. Everybody gonna be looking at our shit, nigga, on God. You finna get that Hellcat swap, nigga. I'm finna get just the 5 car. My shit just gonna be fire.
Why I gotta get the Hellcat car swap? You get the 5 car.
Well, you can make your car 5, but you gonna have the Hellcat swap. You gonna put a Hellcat engine in your damn car.
What kind of put a track on it?
That's the same engine. They both have the same.
Why can't I put a Ferrari shit in there, bro?
Nah, nigga, you dumb as hell. This nigga said, why can't I put a track on engine?
Why can't I get a Bugatti switch, bro?
Engine.
I want a Bugatti switch, engine swap. Why can't I get that, Brandon? Why you Atlanta ass gotta resort to Hellcats and track hawks and scat pats? What's the problem with y'all, bro? It's bigger than Hellcats, track hawks, and scat pats. Shit up my face, man.
Ooh. Haircuts for kids, nigga. Crew cut.
I know they be fucking niggas up.
Hold on. What is this? This candy?
No, bro, they do haircuts for kids.
No, that bitch go.
Oh, hell.
Stupid, nigga. I'm finna go there.
Oh, I just now read the fucking sign. Hey, what's making all that noise, bro?
Clean off.
I'm trying to see what's making all that noise.
Some niggas some off the top.
What time is it, bro?
Straight GTA music. That nigga play this shit.
That nigga said GTA music, right?
I mean,
you just got fucking caught, nigga.
Huh?
You just got caught, nigga.
Oh, no, it's just my car, nigga. I'll do it again on camera, bro. It's not wrong. It's not wrong with my poses, bro.
Nigga said. Let this nigga know that his shit questionable. Hey, shout out your Instagram so they can fucking send hate comments to your shit.
My shit, FCKGUAP.
It's fucking true. It's fucking surreal Kai, nigga. And I'm gonna put that bitch on the screen, nigga. Send hate comments to this bitch ass nigga.
You can't send hate comments to a kid ass nigga. I'm about to put 4 Giottos on my Acura, bro.
Just wait till I get my stay. Just wait.
Niggas hating everybody.
Gangatron to one, bro. To a car. Not this one, bro. This one kind of, I don't know. This one kind of, it's not litty. It's not litty, bro. But that Infinity, nah, I'm not gonna lie, that Infinity, that G37, bro, that's the best car here, bro.
That black one?
Yes, bro. That's the best car here.
Is there a bit of meat munching in there?
No, bro. That's the best car here, nigga. What? Who got a better car? Nobody. The nigga with the gray Mustang, that's number 2. Number 3 is that I keep forgetting what that shit called. I think that shit is called I think that's a Firebird, bro. I don't know shit about I don't know shit about cars, bro. That red car right here, bro. I don't know what that shit called, bro. But he number 3. That Velociter's number 4. Number 5 is that Camaro. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. If that Chevy Malibu, if the Malibu was if that shit was lower, that shit would definitely be number 5, bro, or even number 4, bro. But
hey, bro, that's that blue lock pose, bro. I'm like Nagi, nigga. I'm gonna edit that bitch while I'm playing Nagi, bro. That shit gonna be hard.
that shit gonna be stupid.
Look at that pose, bro. You could tell that's Nagi. Put a ball in front of that.
You better not post that shit, bro.
You know the blue lock music?
No. I don't be paying. I be watching that shit. I don't be paying attention to the music. This nigga,
Bruh, eat this shit. Come on.
What? Why you said that? Oh, he is around the fucking corner.
Wait, who?
Oh yeah, this is Ethan's fucking paradise, bro.
He always missing out, bro. On the way.
Hold on. I'm finna call that nigga
Ethan
right
finna be.
now.
I'm on the way, bro.
I'm finna call that nigga right now, bro.
Oh, man, I don't even think that nigga is sharing his logo.
Nah, he is.
Oh, yeah.
Calling that nigga right now, bro.
Nah, this nigga dead ass. He might be nearby.
Nah, he live near me. Nah, he don't live in McDonald's no more. Bro, answer the phone, bro. You not on the phone with your girl, bro. I already know you not on the phone with your girl. Hey, Ethan, what you doing, bro?
Shit.
Push up this white girl's here, bro.
Oh God, push up to this car meet, bro. It's some white women over here, bro.
Hey, this nigga is 9 minutes away from me.
Yeah, you 9 minutes away, bro. Push up,
You
bro.
might as well, bro.
Get an Uber.
Swear to God, white girls.
You 9 minutes. Get an Uber, bro. Come on, he take you home.
Hey, bro. $5, I'll come pick you up.
$5?
$4.
Nah, 5, bro. Don't be a broke bitch, nigga. Don't be broke, nigga.
$5 for some beautiful white women, bro. Some paws.
Look, Kamani, I'll give you a bottle of water. I know you ain't had nothing to drink.
I got hella water at home, bro.
That nigga said a bottle of water, bro. Hey, bro, just get an Uber, bro, and come on and take you home, bro. Look, hey, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna get something to eat, bro. I'm probably gonna go to Waffle House after this or something, bro.
I'm paying for no bitch ass Uber, bro. I'm not gonna cap.
Hey, come on, pick him up, bro.
I dead ass will, bro.
Come on, bro.
$4, bro. I dead ass will, bro.
9 minutes ain't bad, though.
I'm got 9 minutes, not bad, bro.
You got some snacks, bro?
I got some Tito's.
Well, that's it, bro.
I got some brown sugar pop
You know
tarts.
that boy got the Coca-Cola. Somebody's thinking with that Coca-Cola.
Well, who just gotta pick up Joseph, bro? Oh my God, why is that nigga there, bro? Why is that nigga there? Oh my God.
Bro, Ethan, bro, get you a fucking Uber, bro. That shit like $10,
Hold on, let
bro.
me see how far away he is, bro.
I got $5.
You got $5? You broke motherfucker. Nigga, how you gonna get something to eat?
Nigga, I ate a pizza today already, bro.
Hey, Kamani said he on the way, bro. Get ready. You for real wanna come?
Yeah, I'm finna tell my mom I'm finna do it.
All right. Kamani on his way. Oh yeah, that boy Kamani.
This nigga stay in the middle of nowhere. Bro. 9 minutes away from a car meet.
random place, bro. Random car meet, bro. This nigga's 9 minutes away, bro. Huh?
My spot going on.
But if your spot go, I'll move my car.
Bro, hey, one of y'all just stand in it, bro.
Hey, Joseph, sit down with this nigga Parks with. Sit down on this nigga Parks with, bro.
Sitting on in that bit, man. Man, don't worry, bro. I'm just sitting down acting like I'm meditating, bro.
Now I gotta make some friends, but I gotta socialize, bro, so I can, you feel me? So I can get some bro, why this shit keep zooming in, bro? This shit tripping. So I can get some whatchamacallit, bro? I forgot what I was about to fucking say. This nigga got a Volkswagen Jetta? Ah, shit, not focusing. Gotta focus on people. Bro, what's up with the...
Bro, I'm working, bro. Chill out, bro. Like, I'm working on it. Yo, watch me pull up, bro. Don't focus too much on the details, bro. Like, do the squirrel or something, bro.
Passenger pizza right now.
Oh god, nigga, with the fucking loose LED lights, nigga. Hey, I need to get some LED lights in my shit. Like at night, bro, my shit is just black, my nigga. It's just black.
So you real low when you blow. So I play low when you breathe.
This nigga think he's so cool, bro. This nigga think he's cool, bro. Oh, there you go, come on in right there. Right here. Oh yeah. That's what's good. What's good, bro?
78, baby.
They got bubble gum. They got bubble gum wrap on their car, on their trucks, bro. Bro.
Who's got it? I'm trying to hit it.
Hey, Ethan, go crazy, bro. It's hello, right? Hello, here. Yo, this is paradise right here.
I bet Brandon
started cheating right now. Wouldn't be? I should not sit on camera.
Hey, you can say whatever you want. Just don't make sure your girl don't see that shit.
that nigga FRS better, bro.
Bro, eat it.
I hope this nigga shit.
Bro, what I tell you when you hear that shit gonna sound crazy as hell. That's the fucking whatchamacallit, bro. Hey, I crank my shit up, nigga. Fuck you, come on, nigga. That shit gonna whisper, nigga. My shit gonna start whispering. Got a Mustang out of the Mustang lineup, bro. Lame ass Mustang, bro. This Mustang is not even in a lineup, bro.
You still park this shit over there.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That nigga not in the lineup, bro. Hey, bro, I saw four black young ladies.
Where?
They was walking around.
4 men?
That's what I'm saying, bro. It was 2 of them. They was kind of on the hefty side, though, bro.
Oh, I'm not taking it.
That boy Joe got that one.
I'm locked in,
Bro, exactly. You locked in so you can take one for the team. You locked in too so you can take one for the team. And me and Kamani can get the bad hoe.
So like,
now you locked in.
Yeah, go for
Me and Kamani can get the bad hoe, bro.
But we're actually not going to cheat. We're just going to like.
Yeah. Y'all, they're not cheating. They just finna, you feel me?
We're just going to be like
just take one.
Distraction, you know?
Yeah.
Like a distraction.
Yeah.
WID.
A diversion.
That's why.
Type shit, bro. Hey, if they start looking at my car, nigga, that's automatic slide, bro. That's automatic. Hey, I can tell they don't know shit about cars. So all I gotta do is pop up my trunk. They gonna think it's something in there, and I'm like, oh, yeah, you like what I see? This the Hellcat engine now, motherfucker, bro. Damn, where's this nigga? This nigga got the 350Z, no bumper. This nigga got the 350Z, no bumper, bro.
nigga got in a car accident.
Nah, he didn't get in a car accident. That nigga just took the bumper off.
Nigga just didn't want his bumper anymore.
Shit, I bet you.
He just decided he didn't need those.
I bet you happy that you took my spot. So you can't do a little red lineup.
Oh, that's what I said too, bro. I was like, they got the good red lineup going on, right? The red lineup, bro. Hey, this better than the this lineup better than the this better than the Mustang lineup. It's better than the Mustang lineup, bro. The red lineup, and then we got old man right here, bro. I don't know who car that is, but yeah. He got the hardest hardest car in that motherfucker.
Small rings shit.
Bro, wait, she didn't even like have the nerve. She didn't even have the decency to clean her car before she got here. She must have came here for some dick. Hey, bro,
Don't bully, bro. Don't bully. We don't bully in this car community, bro. That's what's wrong.
She must have came here for some dick, bro. You was just finna say that.
I
bro.
said she must have came here for some good times, bro. Some good.
Oh, my camera finna go dead, bro.
We should jump the money though.
What you charge it with?
Charger is in my book bag.
What if I get you a white girl, bro? You gonna not jump me, bro?
I'm still gonna beat you. It's not gonna make a difference, bro.
Bro, look, big one, bro. White Converses.
She in the tights. Radiation.
Hey, listen.
Put the hair behind the
Hey,
ear,
listen. Come on, here, bro.
Scary.
The FIRS is for the moment, bro. To pull her, Listen, if you want to pull her, bro, the car is yours for that moment. Hey, start that bitch up and everything, but hey, you trying to hear it? You start that bitch up.
Crash.
Oh, she got a bed.
Can't look like a evil.
I don't care. Ah, damn. Give my keys back.
Damn, I'm finna go beat her nigga ass.
Hey, bro, I'll jump
You just gotta go full speed. You run behind.
You black, bro. You good, bro.
Oh, God, you black, nigga.
Bro,
You black with fucking dreads, bro. You gonna beat
they act like I'm gonna follow me right now.
Bro, you gonna go over to her, but she gonna hit one of.
Nigga, you black with dreads. Go beat his ass, bro.
I'm getting to beat that ass.
Oh, God,
Just
bro.
run up and get your good time. Run up.
You still, bro. You gotta
just do it like that.
Nigga, what? Yo, what? Yo, chill, bro. I'm recording, bro.
My car kind of fitted in over there, bro.
Hey, your shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie, Kamar. Your shit is hard, bro. I'm not gonna say it to you, bro.
That's what I'm saying. My shit
hard.
fitting in, bro. Let's walk over to it,
Bro,
like it's not my car.
Listen, bro. All you gotta do, bro, come on, don't do shit else to your car. Lower your car, bro. Nigga, bro, when I tell you, lower your car gonna make that shit 1,000 times better, bro. It's gonna look way better, bro. I'm telling you.
Black wheels, though.
Bro, get the black wheels, but lowering your car is cheaper, though, bro.
Oh, I gotta walk over to it.
If you lower your car, bro, lowering springs cost like $300, bro.
Gotta do it with cinematic.
Come on, your shit is valid. You just need a proper Chrome delete. You can't notice it. Yeah, you can't notice it, but like when you walk up to it, you feel me? Proper Chrome delete and lower your shit, man. I'm telling you, bro. But you can really just spray paint your stock wheels, my nigga. Just don't spray paint my shits, nigga. If I give you my wheels, don't spray paint mine, nigga.
Nah, when I get your wheels, that black y'all gonna be crazy, bro.
What you gonna black? You gonna wrap your car black?
Most likely. I'm kind of thinking of white though, bro, but like popping out.
Damn Chevy shit. Oh, that's the truck, bro. That's the motherfucking truck, bro. I thought it looked like some flashy.
She wanna keep it white, but popping out in the black, bro, in the night, bro. That shit gonna be hard, bro. Like, look at the lights, nigga. Hold on. You gotta stand back. I love the way the lights shit.
Oh, look at my lights, nigga.
Look at you started. Wait, hold on. What is it?
Hold on, what happened?
It's just starting.
Hey, I think he peeped.
That's the code red?
Yeah, I think he peeped your Gameatron sticker, bro.
Yeah, I'll beat that nigga ass. Oh, look, this nigga pointing at your car, bro. Hey, we gotta get you a sticker, bro.
Gotta give me a sticker.
Oh, look, he's shooting your car, bro.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, hey, bro, you fuck with it? Like, yeah, I'm in Gangatron, nigga. Oh, he was like, hey, you fuck with the curry? Like, yeah, I fuck with. I'm in Gangatron, bitch. I'm in Gangatron, nigga. Fuck you talking about, bro?
Let me FaceTime these niggas, bro.
Oh God, FaceTime them niggas, bro. Hold on, Tay. Hey, what up, Tay?
Hey, Tay. Bro, some cold red niggas, bro. Say the word, we sliding on them. I think that nigga noticed the Gangatron sticker on my shit, bro.
Hey, bro, Tay, they was looking at my car, bro. I need that sticker, bro. I need that sticker. I need to wreck that shit, bro. We had a car meet. Yeah. But I need that sticker ASAP, bro. I need to wrap this shit ASAP. Just let me know when you make it, bro. I'm gonna come down there and pick it up.
It's Chris.
Tell him push up. There's a car. Tell him push up. There's a car meet. My camera finna go dead, bro. What percent my phone on? 40-something percent.
Bro. You know what I'm saying? Just say the word, Tay. You know what I'm saying? Let it slide.
Hold on. I'm finna vlog on my phone.
I think the camera.
All right, bro. I done got on my phone, bro. No way he's playing that, bro.
I'm so out bad right now, bro.
Talking about some ice cream truck. Damn, I need to charge my camera, bro. But yeah, no, it's not all the way dead, but it's basically dead, bro. This nigga dead ass playing ice cream truck about Montana 300, bro. Bro, you don't know who Montana 300 is, bro?
No, you know who that is?
Bro, that nigga was going crazy in 2016, bro. 2015, bro.
That nigga truck got a supercharger.
Oh, his shit backfiring.
Watch it, so I can make it cinematic, bro.
His shit backfiring and everything, bro.
That nigga truck got a supercharger in it.
Hey, that nigga thought he said he on his way. What type of charger? This a RT. I bet this a RT. He just took the shit off because that nigga was embarrassed. Sorry, yeah. I'm just joking. I'm finna go stand by my car, bro. Niggas looking at my car, bro. I'm finna go stand by my car, bro. You feel me? I'm finna go put my book bag up, bro. I don't need to carry my laptop right now. Bro, he gonna keep starting that junk up, bro. He gonna keep starting that. He gonna keep starting that motherfucker up, bro. Hey, nah, you know what he's doing? But he waited till his engine get cold and start it up again for the cold start, bro. That's what he doing. I know that's what he doing, bro. Oh no, he's actually driving. Okay, never mind. Let me shut the fuck up.
What the vapes?
The vapes.
What the nicotines?
Hey, go back to the group of white niggas, right? I bet they got 5 of them motherfuckers. Oh God, they got some cigars, nigga.
Oh, I gotta make another. I didn't get that light. She ain't got it.
Got the camera. Dead camera in the hand, man. Hey, back up, nigga. Let that nigga record the car. I can't believe my fucking camera went down. I'm finna buy another camera, bro. I'm finna buy another battery on it.
I got a question. Do you know anybody who's interested in a puppy? He's a full-blooded American bully. He does have papers. Not her, him.
Okay. How much?
My husband is asking $1,000 or whoever will take him.
I don't know. I know my dad been talking about getting one, but I don't know. He already got one. He already got a puppy, but maybe he want another one. I can ask. I'll text him. See if he want.
You finna buy that dog?
Fuck no, nigga. I just said that shit so she can get the fuck out my face. Hold on, what this is, bro? What this shit in, man? What this shit in, man? RT, I think. It looked like it. Yep, RT. I can't get over this Firebird, bro. Oh my god. This Firebird is sexy, bro. Get the... Who shit poppy like that, bro? That's how my FRS feeling. Oh, it's an automatic. Alright, my nigga got an automatic. I can't talk, nigga. I got an automatic too. BMW those tailpipe tips look good, bro. I'm not gonna tell you. Those tailpipe tails look good. I mean, tips. The tips look good. I'm just tripping. Hell yeah, RT, nigga. Always a trigger. Oh, I'm finna move my car right here. That shit made me feel good, bro. That shit made me feel good, bro. Nigga recording my car. I love that shit.
You about to cry.
That nigga said, when you turn them on, he said,
I mean, I could have turned the actual lights on, nigga, but should I keep them on? Hey, my lights look fire.
I see you better.
Huh?
I see you better.
Oh,
You a bitch, nigga, on God. Nigga feeling good, man. Bro, I'm gonna get some. Yeah, if it was white, it would have been fire. Nigga, that's yellow.
Yeah, right.
Nigga, you ain't got no block. Fuck ass, nigga. Oh shit, I didn't even press the record button. I am tweaking. I am tweaking, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, bro, this motherfucker hard, bro. But this bumper hard, bro.
Hey, I need a new repaint. That's good.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. I'm finna wrap my shit, bro. Shit. I'm finna wrap my shit gray. That shit finna be fly. Finna wrap that.
Y'all niggas since middle school.
Oh God, man. What you been up to out of here? You finna do anything else to the whip?
Yeah.
Lower that motherfucker.
New headers.
Lower that motherfucker, bro.
Lower.
I'm finna lower my shit more, nigga. I'm finna do hella shit to my job, boy. Next time you see me over here, but my shit finna be pressure. So appreciate it.
What you got this one for?
Like 15.
15? Damn. That's a deal.
I'm saying. That nigga did not know what he didn't know about none of this. That nigga didn't know about the exhaust and none of that. It came with the exhaust and all of that. Really stole that shit from his ass, bro. But I'm finna get some new wheels. Finna probably trade them motherfuckers in. Then I'm finna get the exhaust, cause that motherfucker only got one pipe, one exit. That shit. I'm saying I want both of them motherfuckers, right?
Oh, yeah, you should get the second one.
And then I'm finna get some tail lights in that motherfucker. Them shit ass. That shit gonna be questionable.
What about a spoiler?
They had some weak ass Amazon spoiler. I don't know.
You took
bro.
it off?
Yeah, I took that shit. That shit. All of this was black. Like this was black and the trunk was black. I took all of that off. And that nigga was hiding up this fucked up paint. That's why he put it on there, bro.
I got on the chase on the way here. I was speeding.
Oh hell.
On the way here, this cop turned his lights on. I had to get out of there.
Hell,
To
bro.
catch my ass.
Fuck. This nigga tripping, bro. You was on highway?
Nah,
You was on highway?
nah, it was coming from where I was at. Turned his lights on. I just speeded off and left there. Just bumped his ass.
They got some fuck cars in there. That nigga right there with the Firebird, that shit crushed. That nigga shit hard as. That nigga got the best car here, bro.
Hey, Drew, can you back it up a little bit?
And that nigga with the where my camera at? Oh shit.
I need to run lost on my shit. That's they can hear that shit somewhere.
Oh, you got an exhaust on it?
They got some original.
Oh.
I need some new ones.
For sure.
I got dual pipes. Got a little sound to it though, but when I rev it, it don't sound like this. This shit was fire. I gotta race you now.
Bro, you not trying to do that, bro.
We can
Bro,
race.
my shit be. You heard my shit on my story when I posted it?
I don't know.
When I wrecked
my
it?
page.
Damn, what the fuck?
I delete my page a lot.
My shit got the lag on it.
Follow you from my other page later. I don't be on that main one no more.
Oh shit. But my exhaust be lagging. Like it got the little.
You do? Is it hard? Do it right now. I need to hear it.
I'm telling you, bro.
I don't know. You might smoke me.
I'm telling you, bro.
You might smoke me.
Bro, I be putting my shit in, bro. My shit automatic. I be putting my shit in manual though.
You got an intake in there?
I'm gonna get one though.
Get one.
That's the
That shit
first
gonna
thing.
sound crazy.
I'm telling you, bro. That's the first thing I'm finna get.
With the exhaust too.
What the? Oh, this nigga trying to flex, man. This nigga trying to flex, bro. Hey, this nigga shit finna explode, bro. What the fuck? This nigga trying to flex or something, bro.
That nigga burning all his diesel.
Oh God, that diesel is going. He's going to the gas station after this, bro. That nigga's going to the gas station after this, bro. Hey, that shit. Hey, that shit sound better than mine.
No, this shit finna explode.
That shit don't sound better than mine, bro. On God, my shit sound better, bro.
That shit sound nasty.
That shit finna explode, niggas. I don't know what the fuck you got some shit to my.
That's a big ass dog. Hey, bro.
Try to get it. Look, I know you about to like be pussy and pussy out and say no, but look, you gotta start the wave, bruh. You either gonna be a leader or a follower. So be the leader and do a donut.
I'm not doing nigga, I don't know how to do it. Where I'm gonna do a donut at, bro?
Right. Hey, if you hit the niggas, you
I don't know how to.
If they get hit, they get hit.
Nigga, I don't know how to do no donut, bro.
All right, give me the keys. I do it.
No, nigga, you're not touching my car. Bro.
Give me the keys. I'm doing it.
Hell no.
Look at a little 5-minute YouTube video.
Hell no. Hey, I do a donut on my way back home. When I put a turbo on my, I'm gonna put a turbo on that motherfucker. That shit, I'm beating everybody, but I'm racing the Hellcat on God, bro.
You're gonna be crazy.
I'm racing the Hellcat, bro.
Willie's and Marietta.
Oh yeah. His ass ain't coming.
Bro, you should have told him ahead of time, bro. He maybe
I
came.
did, bro.
Oh, he said no?
I was like, yeah, that was like.
I'm finna walk around a little bit. This nigga need a paint. That motherfucker need a paint. ASAP, bro. God. And his shit.
Imagine like a shot like this, everybody, all the Gamatron nigga, they all got the sticker on the back. That shit gonna be hard, nigga.
That shit will be hard. But I don't have a sticker.
It's coming, bro. Relax.
It's cold as fuck, bro.
Oh God,
I'm finna have to go in a little bit too.
Why?
Well,
Oh,
the
the
movie started
movies.
at 9, but I'm leaving at like 9:20. Because the movie 2 hours long. I don't give a fuck about Scream.
Nigga, what the fuck is you watching?
What movie is this?
Scream.
I'm seeing that.
Scream?
Tomorrow.
Who? With your girl?
Who you taking?
My family, we all gonna go.
Lame man
I'm gonna
nigga.
take you.
Puss ass nigga.
It's just
Okay.
Hell no, nigga. Y'all niggas tripping. Y'all niggas tripping.
This nigga, bro.
Y'all niggas tripping.
Nigga, you gay, bro.
I want to see that shit one day.
Hold on, bro. Check out this BMW, bro. This shit,
That's a BMW.
yeah. Rest. Hold on. Go on the back. Hey, trust the process, bro. Hey, don't disrespect niggas. Don't disrespect the nigga fucking car, nigga. Where's your car at? Where's your car? Where's your car? Where your fucking car at, bro? Where your car, nigga? Where your car at, bro?
Bro, at least I know I got a car. I just got my license, bro. Simple.
Nigga
Shut up,
talking
nigga.
like his shit not finna get towed up.
Who finna tow my shit, bro?
This shit gonna get towed off after you get hit with this Rico.
This yours?
Yeah.
I'm trusting the process, bro.
Shit, it's all about to go. I'm selling everything.
For real?
And I got a body kit that's cut this month. So, and a finish.
I'm trusting it, bro.
Man, bro. Now I'm deciding it for now.
What's your Instagram, bro? I'm trying to see the after results, bro.
I got you, bro.
Let me put mine in.
Shoot, honestly, I want to slide over there. I ain't gonna. I want to slide over there.
Oh, you be over there.
I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna dip out.
What are you finna do to it? Except for the body kit.
Put a 3.0 swap and manual transmission. And
Oh, this is automatic?
yeah. You don't really
Damn.
come around manuals that much.
I'm already knowing, bro.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put the ZF transmission and all that shit. Finish up the wheels because I only got some tip wheels right now. Even though I got somebody ready want to buy them for some fucking reason.
I feel it. This is my shit right here. The red FRS right there. That's my shit. Damn. God damn. That's that nigga with that fat ass turbo.
That nigga Tay said, the Hispanic nigga named Ethan from Gamatron here, bro.
Where? He got a sticker?
I don't think so. He said it in front. I just asked him what car. Now keep on want to text me again.
Oh. That nigga thought he was getting he thought he was getting back in there. Oh, hold on. We need to see this.
I called that one.
LS swap.
I called that one.
Oh shit. Oh. Less pressure. Bro, it's tripping. Damn! Damn! Hey! Oh, hold on. Hold on. Who? Oh God, that nigga shit loud. Oh shit. Oh, damn. God damn. God damn. Yo. I got that shit on video, bro. I got that shit right on video, bro. I got that shit right on video, bro. I got a 350Z in that motherfucker. 350Z. This thing got the steering wheel on this shit. Hey, no, the 350Z nice though. Bro, I fought with this color. Who shit this is?
Bro, you gotta send me that shit. Send me that clip, man.
Shit like
I got no stories.
I'm finna put this shit right on YouTube,
What
nigga.
y'all boys be doing, man? Y'all don't be hooping out there?
Yeah, bro, we be leaking every weekend, bro. We be out every weekend.
I
bro.
still live in Jonesboro.
You still live in Jonesboro?
Yeah, I still live in Jonesboro.
Shit, I live in Douglasville, bro. But I be coming down. Same. I be coming out here every weekend, bro.
Every weekend. Let me know what y'all be on. Bet. I'm always out.
I'm gonna hit you next time we link, bro.
Bet.
I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but I'm gonna hit you though. Oh, we going to ThriftCon. I'm going to ThriftCon this weekend. Both of us going to ThriftCon. This wide body kid far. I'm not gonna cap. Nah, nigga, I was right there, right at the Mustang, nigga. That shit loud as fuck. That's all I want. My BRZ, bro. That's how I want my shit like, bro. That's how I want my shit like, bro. Hey, bro, that shit just motivated me, nigga. That shit just motivated the fuck out of me, bro.